So now we have to cut the kadayif into small pieces. Ladies and gentlemen, this is muhallaba. You have to stir it up. You have to mix very well energetically, because if it burns, then everything burns. Then it's too late. Did you get this? Please mix energetically. We have to mix very well. It starts to cook. The color of the muhallaba start to change. You see this? We continue to mix. The color is changing. This is a good sign. This is how it should look like. It is cooked. So we add the first level of kadayif. 2 spoons are enough. Oh, that's so yummy. And then after that comes the muhallaba, and then we have the second level with kadayif again. See you later. About 2 spoons of muhallaba you add, like this. And then the next level, like this. You see, 2 spoons are enough. Try to adjust here. Yep. And it looks like this. So the job is done. This is the kadayif with muhallaba. It is hot. Let it a little bit for 10-15 minutes. Then it's ready. Oh, I miss Turkish coffee. Let's give it a try. It's amazingly tasty. You need to try this. By the way, if you like the video, please subscribe and give a thumbs up, a comment. For now, see you next time. Bye bye.